Okay, so here we have the AquaTEK gum paper tape dispenser, and we're going to run through some of the standard functions that we have on the panel here. So we've got the lengths in centimetres, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55 and so on, and pressing that button will give you a 15 centimetre piece of tape ready for use on your carton. Then we have the random length button here, and this you press and hold for the length you require. So then you've got a longer length ready for use on large oversized cartons. Then we have the 2 times function, the 2x function. So if you want a length between one of these preset lengths, for instance we've got 35 and 25, we don't have 30, we can put 2x 15 and that will give me a piece that's 30 centimetres. We can do the same then for between 35 and 45, or between 45 and 50. We can request 2x 25 and that will give me a piece that's 50 centimetres. We also have the auto function here, so if we press start, auto 25, we then have 25 centimetre pieces always ready for use on the next box. So when you're packing lots and lots of the same cartons and you need the same length of tape, it dispenses another piece ready for use quickly. So switch the auto function off, and you can also adjust the heat of this top plate here, which can speed up the setting of the water activated adhesive. We don't recommend you have that on much higher than 3 because it tends to dry out the glue very quickly up here and create paper jams. So we like to have it on H3, heat 3, but you can turn it up or you can turn it down with these 2 plus and minus buttons here. We're going to leave it at H3. So that's a brief overview of the main functions on the AquaTEK gummed paper tape machine.